everyone, welcome back to Daily English Words. My name is Pihika and today I am going to share 10 new English words along with sentence, synonyms and antonyms. These words will help you improve your vocabulary and sound more confident when you speak English. So let's get started. The first word is serene. Sentence: the serene lake reflected the mountains perfectly in its still water. Synonyms: peaceful, tranquil. Antonyms: chaotic, turbulent. The next word is vibrant. Sentence: the vibrant colors of the sunset painted the sky in the brilliant hues. Synonyms: lively, energetic. Antonyms: dull, lifeless. The next word is mysterious. Sentence: the mysterious stranger appeared at midnight and vanished before dawn. Synonyms: enigmatic, puzzling. Antonyms: obvious, clear. The next word is resilient. Sentence: the resilient tree survived in harsh winter storm. Synonyms: tough, flexible. Antonyms: fragile, brittle. The next word is ambitious. Sentence: the ambitious student worked late into the night to achieve their goals. Synonyms: determined, driven. Antonyms: lazy, compliant. The next word is generous. Sentence: the generous donor helped build a new library for the community. Synonyms: kind, charitable. Antonyms: selfish, stingy. The next word is curious. Sentence: the curious child asked endless questions about how things work. Synonyms: inquisitive, interested. Antonyms: indifferent, uninterested. The next word is humble. Sentence: despite the success, the humble artist never boasted about his achievements. Synonyms: modest, unassuming. Antonyms: arrogant, proud. The next word is innovative. Sentence: the innovative design revolutionized the way people used smartphones. Synonyms: creative, original. Antonyms: traditional, conversational. The next word is compassionate. Sentence: the compassionate nurse confirmed the worried family members. Synonyms: caring, apathetic. Antonyms: cruel, heartless. Great job! You have learned 10 new English words with the synonyms, sentence and antonyms. Try using these words in your daily conversation. That's the best way to remember them. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more daily English lessons. See you tomorrow with 10 more interesting words. Try to make more sentences with using these words. Thank you. Bye.